In this video, we showed how to replace the HPM on a PowerEdge R7725XD. Before working inside the system, read through and follow the safety guidelines to protect the system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. With the cover, air shroud, fan cage assembly, sidewall brackets, risers 1, 3, 5, 2, and 4, as well as OCP, BOSS, and DCSCM modules removed from the system. Also removing the heatsink and processors and memory from the system. And power supply removed from the system. Disconnect any remaining cables that are connected to the HPM and unroute those. Power cable over here. Any control panel cables you have, disconnect those, move that out of the way, and then disconnect your intrusion switch cable, move that out of the way. With everything disconnected from the HPM, lift up on the blue plungers and slide it towards the front of the system, and then lift up and remove. To install an HPM, align it with the system and lower it in, and then slide it towards the rear of the system until it clicks into place, and then reconnect all of your cables, making sure you route them. Reconnect any control panel cables and any of these cables. And make sure to route them into their guides. For more information about the PowerEdge R7725XD, visit dell.com/support.